I'm going to be competing against a real aerospace engineer who works at Northrop, designing top secret jet propulsion for the military. But the question is, can I, an idiot making random shit in my garage, compete against him in a head-to-head battle to build an RC aircraft in just 60 minutes?
Let's do it.
But there's a critical twist. We're only allowed to get 5 items from this dollar store right here, and yeah, no foam board.
What? You're kind of running away from me. Do I get extra points for missiles? Cardboard's on the table, I think.
Let's put it on the table. That's the table at home. Is this canvas?
I make all sorts of planes, man. But for this one, I'm thinking just a conventional.
You know, like a normal airliner style.
Yeah. This is gonna pop up in some interview like 2 decades down the line.
Super glue.
Okay.
Tape.
Okay.
Do you guys use that in your industry?
It's classified.
I strategically told Sid to pick up his materials first so that I could get some ideas.
So are these $1.25 each? That's
Yes.
kind of insane. All right, you know what? I'll get one of these for my wings. I need to run some calculations, dude. I have no idea if this is gonna be enough.
Oh, yeah.
You YouTuber? I need a long rod. It's industry talk. You wouldn't get
It's
it.
a long rod.
No, it's too short.
Does this pass the SID test?
Are you gonna stick it up my?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
thank you. What's the longest rod that they have? I need a long rod.
I got a long rod. Oh, no brainer. Oh my God, that's genius.
I think I'm gonna get this. Can I do a duplicate?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
In hindsight, I think that was definitely a stupid idea. That's not happening in the future.
I need a triangle. A triangle like this
The
with the motor in the front.
hand motions are necessary.
Okay, I think it's a
No one's gonna get
no-brainer.
that
I need
reference.
one of them.
As part of my backup plan, I distracted him with greeting cards. Just kidding, I was on a call. I just thought he looked really stupid in this clip. So, sorry, Sid.
Do you know what? Before the Siddharth rule goes into play, I'm gonna get 2 of these as well. That's racist.
That's not even spelled right.
To put our shit together, no pun intended, we each got copious amounts of tape and hot glue. So here we have the materials we got from Dollar Tree. In the back here, we got some electronics that we're gonna be using that are pre-made so that we just have to slap them on the plane, connect them together at our own expense. And we're running out of daylight. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1. It's going, now we go. I'm gonna have like a triangle going like here. Maybe I'll like grip them together or something and attach it there.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have my propeller at the front. And I got cardboard just like you. After today, we're not getting 2 of the same items. And then, because I'm hot, we got hot pink. How much of what you do at work are you allowed to share, sir?
Not much.
What's the most can you share? Can you share what you guys eat for lunch?
It's proprietary.
I can't reach it.
Night flying, here we come, baby. That is FAA approved.
Yep.
So far, I've been pretty successful at distracting him with my stupidity so that he's less likely to have a finished plane by the time runs out, because I know that these sticks are gonna save my plane.
Oh, damn, you're gluing already.
You have CA? Oh. Well, why didn't you mention that?
Oh, we got CA. How about that? There you go.
Oh, wow, thank you. I'm gonna abandon this. This is so stupid.
I'm gonna glue this, make a nice hard ass. Oh yeah, that works a lot better.
Okay. Every time I swear, you have to bleep it out.
Yeah.
Every time I swear, you have to bleep it out.
Every single
Every
time you
single.
swear.
So if I sneak a word every 5 minutes, you're gonna have to go back.
Yes,
If you
there'll
miss
be a lot
one, there goes your livelihood.
Like imagine.
Am I correct? That was unnecessary. That.
Oh, this is rigid.
Whoa. That's what she said to you? By some measures of success.
I don't know how you measure your success.
Could be a victory.
With a ruler, probably.
Who needs a degree to be an engineer?
Exactly, and that's why you kids need to drop out, right? I'm just kidding. What are you making, a rap?
Yes, sir. This guy is speeding through it, dude.
Oh yeah, this thing's getting serious.
Can we get a better glue gun? This thing sucks.
Yes! Bring out the big guns. Get it? Literally. Oh!
Oh, hold on. It's okay. It's okay. We just spread it out.
Oh my god, there's a spider right here. How? I'm relocating it. I want to relocate it.
Got time to burn, dude.
What? Oh, sorry. It's fine. It's not broken.
That is a delicate piece of equipment.
You're a
sir.
delicate piece of equipment.
All right, thank you.
Oh my god, what are you making? Hot glue cotton candy?
You don't see the vision. So
No, I see subtraction.
positive angle of incidence. Yeah, this is gonna have terrible stability.
Is that your suspension?
Yes, dude. Yes.
We got 22 minutes left.
22 minutes. My CA is smoking. Orban, this is bad. How much do I have to pay you for a time extension? It's pitch dark outside.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna love this. you get your horns in already? Oh shit, I'm so behind.
Sorry, I was feeling good horny.
Why do all your glue guns suck?
Here, let me help you.
Stop!
Your tail airfoil is thicker than your wing airfoil.
Dude, this is good. Oh, I'm gonna use the tip. Oh, that's not very good.
We're clearly not limited by the sunlight anymore. What was your first impression of me, Siddharth Singh?
When you came up to me and started talking about your makerspace and your RC planes that don't fly. I'm about to make an ass of myself.
6:11 on the clock.
What? I mean, in theory, all I need are these servos. I deserve like an extra 10 minutes for your shitty tools.
Who's calling me? Oh, no one's calling me. The timer's done.
I just need my motor mount.
I just need my ESC. Okay, we built our plane.
The airframe's done. Yeah. This is proper.
It is cold as balls, but we have made it to the elementary school to test out our planes finally. We both are equipped with lights on the bottom and the top. What are you naming yours?
Candy cane. Looking at it gives me
I see.
a lot of
Well, you
pain.
should turn your candy cane on. I'm calling mine Arrow in the Wrong Direction.
Oh,
A-twid.
A-twid.
A-twid. This is A-twid.
Okay.
Okay, now we rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first?
Oh god. If I win, what happens?
You choose who goes first.
Oh, okay. What the?
Oh my god! We had like algorithms. I want you to go first.
Clearly labeled.
Do you guys use these plugs at work? Classified?
There you go. That's classified.
You plug it in. What do you mean? What? You plug it in. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Full throttle.
Not bad.
You are definitely throwing
So
that.
there's opportunity to sabotage each other's game.
I would not. All right, a moment of truth. 3, 2, 1.
No way! No way! No way!
That actually flies really well.
Oh my god, Sid, you're an aerospace engineer.
What is the word, ladies and gentlemen? Industry standard.
Dude, you got your CG like spot on.
Now, when do we try a loop?
Get up real high and do like a loop this way. Oh, corkscrew! Ooh, nice dodge. Oh my god, that's totally a win.
I'm bringing her in.
Smooth though, the smooth approach. We're halfway there.
That's going on the resume for sure. I didn't think that would work.
Next up, we got my plane. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, and if it eats shit, shit.
In case you're wondering, I definitely have a lot to lose here. My self-respect for losing against an aerospace engineer.
I still stand by my statement. That's the worst thing I've ever built.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it was nose heavy.
Now that's the sound of someone who has really bad reaction time. You know, let's play that back. I seem to be just rolling left and almost pitching down the whole time.
You couldn't roll it all?
No, not really. It was just too nose heavy.
I don't know if the cold was getting to me or if the pressure was getting to me, but no, Arvin, that's a lie.
CG's tough with these things.
Dude, yeah. The motor's like a complete right angle. Oh, some chiropractor right here. I really thought this was gonna work, but it seems like your aerospace skills have beat me today.
This is not how I imagined this was going to go down.
I thought it was going to be tail heavy.
So you were full backstick?
Yeah.
What the hell do you mean? You are not.
Full back stick and to the right too.
And that's a sign of someone with also short-term memory loss. You were going left the whole time.
I guess stay tuned for a shit post where I actually try to fly this at some other point.
I think you just fix the motor, move the CG back
just give it a little like that. Thank you, Siddharth Singh, for helping me. I'm really impressed by your amazing
You can start shit. Oh, it's cold, man.
Oh, it's cold, man.
The old joints, they don't work like they used to.
Any final words?
I think next time we should do it with even stricter regulations. Hey man, you can make anything fly with the right amount of thrust.
There you go.
I would put more thrust in that,
coming out from the propulsion engineer himself.
Yeah, who cares about aero, to be honest?
Well,
evidently, it doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter.
Nope.
No, aerodynamics does not matter at all. Anyways.
Is that saying the video?
Yeah.
You keep flip-flopping. Like, are you going to get in trouble or not?
I'm not sponsored by Ansys. I can put this up if I want to. You're not sponsored by NVIDIA.
I never claimed to be.
Well, I'm not claiming to be sponsored by
also,
Ansys.
you're going to be the one blurring this out.
I'm not blurring anything out.
You're not blurring?
No.
He's not blurring?
I'm not.